Okay, so today what I'm going to do is show you a common problem. Hey everyone, Dave from Repairs Rule. So I'm going to set up a series of bicycle related videos, and we're going to cover a lot of different things. Talk about several different types of repairs on bicycles, but further I want to show you what these things are worth. And we're going to go step by step. It's going to be a series of videos. You're going to learn a lot and you're going to be surprised. So let's get going. Okay, so today what I'm going to do is show you a common problem with the handlebar stems, what they used to call goosenecks, and ones that people think are stuck. They're not really stuck, and I'll show you how to free those. Let me get my stand up, and we'll get that checked out. Okay, going to share some tips and tricks with you here. This is a vintage Schwinn bicycle, and people, do-it-yourselfers, try to get the handlebar stem out. They don't understand how this works, so they can't get it. So I'm just going to loosen this up, and you'll see we're nice and loose. Go a little bit more, and they'll try to turn the handlebars to get it out. Still won't come out. So what they'll do is they'll go, wow, something's stuck in here, and they'll take the whole stem bolt out. The stem bolt now is completely out. They grab the handlebars and it's still stuck. They don't know what's going on. So here's the trick. It's very simple how this is made inside, and I'm going to share that in just a moment. But put your bolt back in and take it down several threads to make sure you're way down into the stem. So I still have out maybe I don't know, 3/8 to half an inch. Take a hammer, strike the top of this bolt. What that does is it pushes a wedge out of the bottom of the handlebar stem, lifts right out. Now you can see how this is made. This wedge right here slides up onto that slanted part of the stem, and it wedges up inside the fork. So what you want to do, that's still wedged up in there when you took the bolt out. So we put the bolt back in and into the wedge, strike the bolt, and it pushes the wedge out. And that's how you get a handlebar stem out of a bicycle. So that's how we took care of this handlebar stem. People think they're stuck. They're not stuck. You need to know these little tips and tricks. Stay tuned for a future video that I'm going to do about the value of a bike like this. You're going to be surprised. But hey, like, subscribe if you like this type of information, and I'll see you on the next video.